Welcome to Lily Artist English. In this video, I will show you how you can paint these beautiful, cute, little simple flower very easily. In this video, we will watch and learn step by step. So make sure to watch completely and subscribe only if you are interested in fabric painting because all the video on this channel will be related to fabric painting, design, shading, and color combination. Okay. So for painting leaf, I'm using round brush. You can use flat also if you are comfortable with flat. Go with flat if you are comfortable with round. Use round. Okay. Now for understanding how I'm painting this leaf, the process of painting this leaf is very easy. Okay. You just have to observe very carefully. So I'm using white, light green, and sap green for painting this leaf. Applying white on the upper part of the leaf and then blending it with light green color and then applying a little bit of sap green in bottom of the leaf. Now I will paint all the leaf one by one with this process, and this is a very easy method to understand and the look of these leaf will turn out so good. After painting leaf, you will need a liner brush for connecting these lines, and I will suggest to use liner brush because it will give you a very finish and thin lines. Okay, so you will need a round brush for painting leaf and separate liner brush for joining lines and adding detail in the leaves. After completely painting green part of the design leaves and connecting lines, start painting flowers. Okay, for painting these flower you will need pink color and red. If you don't have pink color, just mix white and red together. Use 3 part of white and 1 part of red and mix together to achieve a pink shade. And also you can purchase it from market. It is available like pink 18 you can get in the bottle, acrylic and fabric also. Or you can purchase the pastel one for the pink color. Whichever you want to do, you can do. I'm painting this flower in two steps. Step 1, fill the petal with the pink color. You have to fill up these color very smoothly and take a very good care of outline. After filling pink color like that, add a red shade like this and blend it well. Very easy method. You can easily paint it, and if you will practice, it will turn out very beautiful. After painting flower like that, for the center part, take some white paint on the brush and fill up the circle very smoothly and clearly like that, one by one. And after filling the circle, add a pink dot. You can add a smaller circle like that and let it set for 1 or 2 minutes, just adding some more detail in the flower while our center part is setting. And after it get little bit set on the fabric, you will add a small little dots. Look very carefully how I am adding a small little dots on the outer part of the center. So use liner brush and maroon paint for adding this dot. I just forgot to paint the green part of the birds over here, so I will paint it now with the light green color. And very easy process, you just have to fill it like that one by one. And this is the final look of the design. I hope you like it and enjoy it and learn from it. Practice the design, keep learning, keep practicing. Subscribe only if you are interested. Share with your friends and family who are interested in art and painting. See you soon in the next video with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.